Well, good evening, guys. I'm out here doing a walkthrough of the things to do today. And as you can see, I'm kind of imagining how my boards will look across these beds. And those, they'll be at the bottom. You won't see the boards. So that's that. I'm also, if I have time, I will be transforming this space right here. Spider. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that space, as well as I'm gonna go ahead on and so this whole little watermelon, it is not doing so well, so I'm gonna snip this one, and maybe it'll keep this one with some good energy. I'm gonna probably trim this watermelon. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but I am. As well as I found some more boards. One right here. I have another one of these over there, so I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that as well. And look, what am I gonna do with that? Well, I will show you what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna cut it up, and I'm gonna put it to use. Stay tuned. Well, I'm gonna give you a quick update on what's going on. This is my 4x4. Like I said, it's been ready to go. I just need to get my fabrics off. Fabric barrier, weed barrier in there. I just been using it kind of as a storage until I got that other thing, monster thing down. Now that it's down, this one has been ready to go as well. You got more soil in it, so I will be getting ready to work on these soon. I have my trellis in that one. I still have a little bit more I'm going to do with that one, and I will show you that process when I'm done. Well, when I get to it. Here, this one is done. It was ordered. I got to dump that crap out because I got to get ready to use it. I am going to work on this part here, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this bed because it got to go. Stay tuned for that. We're going to walk back here where, although these are not screwed in, the planks, but I do have my trellis already screwed in, as well as this one. I have boards ready to screw in, and then I just have to do one more level, and I have my support brackets ready. And it's not about how they look. They're going to do the job. You have to remember, dirt is going to be on top of it. This one is ready to go. Trellis is in this one. On this one already. I do have soil. Remember I told you I refurbished my soil. So only thing I have to do is add my amendments to it, and then I'm going to put some things in that one. I still have to put my light right here and right here. That is going, I'll get to that. That's minor. I would love to do only that. And yeah, so then I could do a little raking, and my husband will do some more weed trimming. Now, if he teach me how to use that weed trimmer, it's on and popping, because I'm not scared of hard work. And I started working on my fence. He's supposed to be going to get me 2 more 2x6s so I can take it across. And I'm going to have a little spot right here. And in order to keep it up, I'm going to add another post on this side next to my greenhouse. And instead of using the 2x6, I'm going to take this regular fencing board, cut it in half, and use it as a like a L shape so it can have that support. And I probably use these here like I did around the rest of the fence, so I can make sure it's supported, you know, pretty good. So for this one, maybe because it's so big, this part is so long and so big, I had no issues with high winds. It's not blowing, it's not rocking, it's not shaking. So you see my table is not wiped off, but it's cleaned off. And that's not its home, but that's where I'm gonna put it for right now. This little bed here, I'm going to leave that on the outside. I've never planted flowers actual in it or food in it, but I'm going to do something with that because that's kind of like on the outside of my area. So I'm going to step back and let you see the vision I have for this space if possible. So I'm going to try to, well, it's not going to do it like that. So here is going to be, of course, it'll be my right, maybe your left, and then I have a gate that's going to go in between here. It's in the house. I'll probably bring it out another day or two to start hooking up, and it goes around. This is only my side of the yard. That is my neighbor's area, so I'm only securing my area because I don't want anything constantly like little stuff coming in tearing it up. I'm not some animals. I haven't seen any possums. Most of the things I see come over here is dogs and cats, little ones. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update video, and just to let you know, everything is going good. I've been out here working as usual, and yeah, I am determined. When you start seeing that light at the end of the tunnel, you start going full speed ahead because you want to see that actual light. You want to be at the end of that tunnel. Stay tuned. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I am hot. I'm done for today. I've been out here for about 4 or 5 hours. No, not that long. I actually would say about more of the 3 hour. It don't take long to sweat. I thought we was going to get some rain, but we didn't, which is okay. We've been getting some pretty decent rain, and hopefully I can get through it tomorrow so I can go ahead and at least start filling the beds up. I love for Mother Nature to dampen my soil so I don't have to use a lot of water trying to get everything blended in. But enough for me rambling. Again, I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you can kind of visualize what I'm trying to do. And yeah, share my video, like it, dislike it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Remember, anything Love Lady do, she's doing it with love. Have a great day, guys. Babe out here trying to help me get my gate latch on. My gate, he almost was defeated, and he was not letting that latch defeat him. You see, guys, it's getting dark. Husband said, I'm getting this here. Well, we do have the gate up. We just have to get the latch on and finish this side right here, guys. Thank you, baby. Do it again, baby. Let me see it. There you go.